We are drinking Lipton today. Okay.
Hey guys, I know it's a bit dark here, but we're on our way to the Azamara Cruise Ship. Hey guys, so we're actually inside Azamara Cruise Ship right now. We just made it through the entrance. We had our IDs checked, as you can see this one. And we're waiting for Nainel and Jamie's aunt. So right now we're still waiting for her aunt. And yeah, surprisingly there are a lot of Filipino crew in this ship. And we're really happy to see our fellow kabayans. And it got us thinking as well, because back in college, I was thinking really to pursue nursing abroad, which is we're really happy to have accomplished. But thinking of it, we also had a fantasy of being a nurse in a cruise ship, and who knows, we still have a chance.
Titanic.
What do you mean Titanic? I remember the scene in the Titanic, the last part. I'm not sure if she's the type of Rose who would give up the wooden wreckage so that I could fit in, unless she would be wearing a robe on the sea, because it was really cold. Of course.
How old are you, Ante? Mag-50 na, may...
She's sexier than you and me.
She's 50 and she's got 23 waistline. Shut up.
Thank you.
We need to define that. 4 kids
What
at
did
the
you
age
say?
of 50.
Say hello, say hello. Say hello! Look at the liham.
No,
Signature.
started very busy my concept. Tonight we're going to play from 9 o'clock till 10:30 with a break in the middle. A bit more dance music. We keep the dance music. Keep this one really relaxed.
it's almost
What time is it? Time check?
it's almost 10 actually, and we're really having a good time.
Yeah, just chilling.
Just chilling. Actually, there are 2 shows tonight. One that has like a sing and dance, like the theater that we
Yeah, it's like
came
a
a
show.
while ago.
It's like a Broadway show in the Cabaret Lounge, and they're spending some chilling time here in the living room.
As per her aunt, it's usually like that. If there's a show down there, people watch them, and then after the show, this in the living room is where they party all night and everyone chills after. And it's a really nice, cozy place.
Yeah.
It's a really good once in a lifetime experience, I would say. Who would have thought that we'd be able to experience like a day at least, you know,
Maybe
part of the day in a
after
cruise.
50 years, maybe.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to experience this one like the full package. They say it's around 18 days, and
But I don't know.
we're about to find out like how much would that be. And we need to save first. We need to save lots and lots of money.
Yeah.
We're
Hashtag goals.
keeping our eyes locked on the wedding for this year, later this
That's
year.
right.
And yeah, we're really thankful for her aunt. Auntie Sheena is
I know.
really kind.
It's a great opportunity for all of us, the 3 of us, being here and being able to experience how beautiful this place is.
Exactly.
You know, a place inside a ship.
And
It's unbelievable.
yeah, I think the battery's about to run out, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the clips. Cheers. Peace.
What is an okui man? Okui? Oh, merman. Okui man.
Merman just sounds better.
More decent.
Oh,
More decent.
okay, we will make it decent.
Yeah.
Merman.
This one here.
But in Bisaya,
we're
okoy.
in,
Okui.
where were we? We're in Grand Cayman.